Yeah. My nigga, I'm back on my feet, I'm doing this shit and nobody can do it like me. I started this shit, I was young, I didn't know, and I'm killing that beat like I'm sipping that lean. I know some niggas just hating their kid, I've been chasing that bag, I don't care what they think. They smoking that gas and they feel like they high and they feel like they gotta go harder than me. I'm back on my flows, wind the game, and my buzzer so deep like a dam. They calling my phone, I reject. I don't care if you think I'm a lame. Yeah, they never been in my city. That's why they gotta keep on pushing the penny. I've been staying with a bunch of the geniuses. I'm a kid, just show them the promises. Athi ngiflow ngesizulu seme bafana nyabona ngomzulu phuphu ngaphezulu mapala bushiwe ngebhodi lesulu lentwana mafika kushintsha nezulu yena bazothe ngathi ushaka zulu lentwana mafika kushintsha nezulu yena bazothe ngathi ushaka zulu yeah